Tay and the Patois Spelling Bee. The whole of Bushy Grove Primary School was buzzing like a beehive. Tomorrow was the annual spelling bee, and every child was busy practicing words from their little blue spelling lists, except for one boy, Tay. While his classmates were muttering accommodation and responsibility under their breath, Tay was sitting under the old maca tree in his yard, scribbling in his notebook. But his words were different. They weren't from the school list. They were words he heard in the shop, at the bus stop, and from his granny's kitchen window. Words like nyam, brata, and lava lava. Latte, his grandmother, Miss Bernice, chuckled when she saw him. You really plan for win the spelling bee with them patois word, yeah? Tay grinned. Granny, me have a plan. The next day, the school hall was packed. The principal, Mr. Henry, started with the usual English words, and Tay spelled each one with ease. Soon it was down to just two contestants, Tay and a quiet girl named Chanel. Then came a twist. The guest judge, Miss Marva, the community storyteller, took the microphone. This year, she said, we're going to test on the language we grew with, a patois time. Some students gasped, and a few teachers raised their eyebrows, but Tay eyes lit up like Pinewali in a country night. First word. Spell bashment. Chanel shuffled her feet, unsure. Tay spelled it loud and proud. B-A-S-H-M-E-N-T. Bashment. Round after round, he breezed through the patois words like fast, brata, pitney. By the end, the crowd was cheering his name. When Miss Marva handed him the gold trophy, Tay held it high. This one for the people we chat like we, he declared. From that day, Bushy Grove Primary added a patois spelling bee every year, and in the heart of the community, Tay became known as the boy who made their language shine.